Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial. Today we are covering reusable elements in Bubble. In this video, we'll learn what reusable elements are, their benefits, and how to create and use them in your app. Let's get started. Reusable elements in Bubble are pre-built components that can be used multiple times throughout your application. They can include elements like headers, footers, sidebars, or custom widgets, allowing you to maintain a consistent design and functionality across your app while saving time and efforts. There are several benefits to using reusable elements. Consistency. Maintain a consistent look and feel across your app. Secondly, efficiency. Save time by creating components once and reusing them. Third, easy updates. Make changes in one place and see them update across your entire app. Now, many of you may already know what reusables are, but the common question is when to use the reusable elements and how small can they be? There is no right or wrong answer to this, but as the name suggests, you need to create a reusable element with any number of elements workflows that will be used more than once. It can just be two elements put together as well, or just one element with multiple workflows added. The beauty is you can use a reusable one within another. So, without wasting much time, let's see how to create a small reusable and then reuse it inside another reusable, which will then be displayed on the page. In today's example, I will show you to create a profile picture reusable which will display the first character of the name if the picture is not uploaded. And then this reusable will be used within a repeating group of users, again a reusable, and that will be displayed on the page. So let's see. To begin, I'll click on this and select add a new reusable element, and I'll name it as profile pic. Now I'll make it a very small element. The container layout can be aligned to parent, and I'll just make this as 30. Minimum width is 30, minimum height is also 30, and this will be of type image. The reusable type of content should be user, and this image you can expand it to fit the entire region. You can also keep it center, doesn't matter. Dynamic image will be parent groups users profile pic. So there is a plugin which is named alphabet profile images. What this does is if the user's image is not uploaded, you can display the first character of that user's name. For example, if the name is Ritesh, then we display R as the image. Okay, and how do we do that? We'll input this element over here, and that will ask what is the target text, which is parent group's users name. And going to the image, we can put a condition where we say parent group's users profile picture is empty, then the image source should be alphabet image is current image. Now this is done. You use it wherever you want, and based on the user, it'll either display the profile picture if it's already uploaded, or it'll display the first character of the user's name. Now I'll create one more reusable element, which will be users, and this time this will be the reusable element will be slightly wider. So I'll make this as 400. Minimum width can be 300. Height is fine. I'll add a repeating group which will be of type row, and I'll say this is type of content is user, and do a search for users. I'll remove the fixed number of rows and make it as 45, the minimum height of row as 45. Now I'll add the user profile picture reusables within the repeating group. We'll have to give the data source, which is of type users, and I'll mention current cells user. And the layout, we'll mark it as 30 cross 30 and center it. Again, not looking into the design aspect of it, I added a text element which will be current cells users name, and I'll just make this as 0, center line, and left of 20. Maybe I'll just get this to center. Okay, so change this to 200. Now I'll go to the index page where I had already added a repeating group before. I'll delete that, and I'll bring the reusable element users. I'll mention it as fit width to content, and we have the reusable ready on the page preview. As you can see, we have not added any image for any of the users, and hence it is showing the first character. Let me just add an image for one of the users, and we can see that that has got changed immediately. Now if we are creating one more reusable, which is header, and you want to be displaying the user's profile image on the right top, so I'll make this as row, I'll make this as 300, minimum height can be 75, and I'll just add user's profile image this way. I'll say this can be 45 cross 45, center. I'll mention it this way so that we have it on the right side. Also add a 20 on the right. I'll not add other elements on the header. I'll go to another page and add this header. Column. Sorry, I think it was 75, so I'll keep it 75. I'll open this. Okay, and also I'll have to mention what is the user here. So here I can say it's current user, so that whoever is logged in, their image will be shown. As you can see, it's M now, and if I log in as XYZ, it's X, and if I log in as ABC, it'll be the image. And that's why I mentioned you can create a reusable element of even one element with multiple workflows, or just a couple of elements. For example, in this case, we have added one image and one element from the plugin to display the first character of the name if the image is not uploaded. And that's it. You have now learned how to create, use, and manage reusable elements in Bubble. By leveraging reusable elements, you can create more efficient and consistent app designs while simplifying your development process. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us on our social channels or email us at support@7.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bubble tips and tutorials. Thank you.